problem. What's that?
Well, my mom and I made 33 puppets and we sold 14 puppets at the craft fair. I don't know how many puppets I have left. I know. Let's use Mrs. Weese's chart to help us.
Yeah, she's so smart.
All right, here it is. Think about number stories. So, Mrs. Weese says to read the story and then ask, what are you trying to find out? Hint, it's the story question. Then we're to ask, what do we already know? Then we're to figure out if we add or subtract. Let me draw a picture or write a number sentence and solve. This is a thinking about number stories. You ready to try it with your story? Sure. Okay, here's my problems, Newton. My mom and I made 33 puppets for the craft fair. We sold 14 puppets. How many puppets do we still have? So we read the story. Now what? Now you need to find out what you're trying to find out. Oh, what am I trying to find out? Oh, I know. I want to know, how many puppets do we still have? How many puppets do we still have? Now what? Mrs. Weese says you need to figure out what you already know. Oh, I already know I have 33 puppets, and I know we sold 14. Now what? Well, now you write a number sentence or an equation, but you have to think about the story. Okay, I'm thinking, I made 33, and we sold 14. Sold is like giving away, kind of like subtraction. I'm going to write a subtraction sentence. 33 take away 14. That makes sense. Yeah, that's what Mrs. Weese says to do. Ask if it makes sense. Now what? You're going to solve it. Oh, I'm going to take and rewrite this from this way like a sentence to this way. 33 take away 14. Okay, let's see. 3 take away 4 I can't do, so I'm going to go over here and borrow a 10. Make that 2 10s, make that 1 10. 13 ones. Take away 4 ones is 9 ones. 2 10s take away 1 10 is 1 10. 19 puppets left. Now what? Well, now you need to tell Mrs. Weese what strategy you used. Oh, I used regrouping because I needed more ones. Newton? Yeah? Could I just draw a picture? You could, but it's not the best way to solve the problem. Oh, okay. So writing the number sentence is the best way for that problem. Oh, thank you, Newton. I love you. You're helping me.
Thank you, Newton. You're so helpful. Oh, I like solving number stories, Sophie, especially with Mrs. Weese's chart to help me. Oh, I hope Mrs. Weese's kids can do it too. Oh, I'm sure they can. They're tenacious and determined and resolute. They'll never give up, and they'll do their best and use their stamina. Oh, they're awesome. Yeah.